Hey guys, I'm Batmanda and welcome back to the Book Cave. I know it's been a minute. I keep meaning to film some style guide videos, but they're taking a while. I keep delaying on those, so I got these packages in the mail today and I thought it'd be fun to do a quick unboxing video. And before I open these, they are figures for a animated series I really love that's here on YouTube, called Murder Drones. Some of you have heard me talking about it in the comment section of other videos lately. It's by this really independent animation studio called Glitch Productions, and they're located in Australia. It's like a dark sci-fi comedy. It has a lot of suspense and it gets pretty dark and a little gory at times, but it's not really scary because like the jokes never stop, and it's like very slapstick, off the wall, almost like 90s Nickelodeon humor. So it'll get you even when scary stuff's happening. So it's really good. I highly recommend it, and because the studio is like so independent, the best way to help production of the shows is to buy merch. So yeah. Also, as you can tell, I'm still a bit camera shy, so I'm like awkwardly hovering behind the phone here, trying not to show my face, so we're gonna see how this goes, but here we go. Watch my terrible knife skills. And I don't know, these are figures of the different characters from the show, but obviously I don't know which ones are in which boxes. Nope, they're not broken, because like I said, I think they came from like Australia. Ooh, this already looks cool. So there's what the... Oh, it's N! So this is one of like the main characters. He's my favorite, he's such a dork. That is really cute, I love the packaging. I didn't know that was gonna like look so nice. He's so cute. This art is so cool. If anyone wants to read that, hold it for a second. These are really nice. Okay. Well, he's my favorite and he looks undamaged, so that's cool. Let me see if I can like... He's there so you can't see him. Yeah, and the other reason I wanted these is because they're like very limited run. They sell out of things quickly, so FOMO is real, as we nerds know. Gosh, this one is on. This box is messed up. This is like Uzi. Not to break anything. Oh, yeah, okay. That was really wedged in there. Oh, she's so cute. So this is the other main character. Sorry for the glare, there are a lot of windows in here. Yes, these are so cute. I didn't realize the packaging was going to be so nice on these. Like, you know, I wanted to open these, but now I'm kind of not sure. Yeah, they're looking good so far. Just have one left. I'm trying. Okay, here we go. Sorry, that one took a second. And this is V. She's like kind of an antagonist, but she's really cool. She kind of comes around as the series progresses. There's a little synopsis. So yeah, I'm super happy with these. The packaging is nice, they arrived in good condition, and I'm really happy to buy something that like supports the production of one of my favorite shows. So I will leave a link in the description to Glitch's channel and the Murder Drones playlist, and I hope you guys will check it out. And until next time, same bat channel. Bye.